All right, I'm back. I got the foam wrapped in aluminum foil, and I got my fleece draped across it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray some adhesive on the foil and the fleece, and start with one side, and then go to the next side. So let me do that, and I'm gonna cut you back on. What's up, everybody? I'm back. One Man Body Shop, working on my door panels. Was working on the dashboard, but I had to stop and concentrate on the door panels for my transition. And then once I got how I want my transition to go on my door, then I'm gonna hop back on my dashboard. But that's how it's coming. I got some pink foam board for the top to bridge my transition, and then I'm gonna take some of this gray stuff for gaps and cracks. And I can't talk right now. I already said it. And then I'm gonna take some of this gray stuff for gaps and cracks and spray it all on the top. I'm just focused on the top for right now. And then when I get that shaped up how I want it, I'm gonna go on to the rest of the door panel. So let me foam it up and I'm gonna cut you back on. All right, I'm back. I got it foamed up. It's drying now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just carve it down to size, and then I'm gonna cut you back on. There it is, carved up. I mainly focus on the front transition. The back transition, I'm finish when I do the back quarter panels. That's how that looks. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. I'll be making a 3D printed unlock knob. I'll be making that custom. So I'll make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one. One Man Body Shop.